Welcome back! In this tutorial, we will cover the objects of insurance pertaining to a commercial lines policy. Let's take a well-rounded account, Two Guys Barbershop. Here in Two Guys, we see that we write their GL, business auto, workers' comp, and an umbrella. We will start with the details of the vehicles for the business auto policy. Just like the personal auto, you click on Client Vehicles from the navigation pane to see a list of the vehicles currently covered. To see a history of deleted vehicles, click the Show Deleted button. Be sure, as always, to associate each vehicle with a correct policy. Drivers are entered under the Commercial Drivers section rather than in the Family Members. If you have a property policy, or perhaps a property is covered under a liability policy, you can enter those in the Commercial Property section, much like entering the property in the Personal Policy section. You may want to track an equipment schedule in the same manner. Access the Equipment menu from the navigation pane to enter the scheduled equipment. Keep in mind that all of the scheduled objects entered in each section can be accessed from the accord forms that pertain to the particular subject of insurance. So, for instance, I have several vehicles entered into the program, and now I wish to fill auto ID cards. Simply add the form in the Accords section, choosing the auto policy to pre-fill. Click the Vehicles button at the top of the form, select the vehicles you wish to fill, and click OK. You will get one card per vehicle selected. This is just one of many examples of the way the listed schedules will save you time and make your commercial processes more efficient.